The sun come out tomorrow, bet you bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow, clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow. Till there's none, and I'm stuck in the day that's gray and lonely. I just take out my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Go on then, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love that tomorrow, you're always a day away. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love that tomorrow, you're always a
I genuinely can't get over the change in you, babe. A couple of weeks ago, you had this quivering mess, you didn't know if you could do it, and now look, you belting out Danny. That was amazing, well done, babes. Zoe.
I thoroughly enjoyed that. Your control, your breathing, your pitch, everything, like vocally, is improving week by week. So whatever you're doing, like all the practicing, lessons and stuff is working. So make sure you keep doing it and like stay dedicated. Like Sam said, from where we first saw you to now, the difference is like insane. It is. You're coming on so like well and really quickly. Like you should be so proud of yourself. And that big note at the end, your control on that was amazing. Well done. Just all I can. I'm not done yet, Joe. But yeah, all I can say is next time, just try and perform a little bit more. That is my only critique. Critique. But other than that, it was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Kel?
You were just like so relaxed and so casual. It was just like, yeah, I'm just going to belt out Annie, yeah, no big deal. It's just, you know, I love your voice. I do. I love the sound of it. You've got such maturity for your age, and you've got this really old school diva sound, which I absolutely love. I thought it was a perfect song choice for you. I really did. And that note at the end, the way that you held it, yeah, it was fantastic. And you were so cute up there, the way that you were just like, yeah, I'm doing my thing. It was brilliant. Well done, lovely.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kel. Joe?
Yeah, it wasn't a bad performance, dear. It really wasn't. I feel like I'm losing you a little bit in the competition. And what I mean by this, love, is that I told you last week, like, you've got so much to offer, and you've heard some of the compliments I've given you about some of our previous reps and the potential I think you've got. But at the moment, I feel like I'm losing you a little bit. And what I mean by this is, like, I don't know if this song choice of is just not enough advice being given or what. I don't know what it is, but there's some, like, you know, I know that you're growing, and you are showing us over the last couple of weeks that you're getting more comfortable up there. But including yourself and the singers around you, you know, as a competition, and you see people coming out and start to look more relaxed. So I need you to kind of say to yourself, do you know what, I just gotta get loose. And last week you did that, you loosened up a little bit. Was it last week you done the 80s one? No, the week before. You loosened up on that one a little bit more, you had a bit more fun, and I don't know if that, you still got to bring that into your personality when you're up there, even with like a stripped back song like this, because even then you was like, oh, I'm unsure about this, you know, and you don't want people to see that you want people to be like, oh, look at her, she knows what she's doing. That's where you want. So just try and I only wish that I had time to work with you in the week, to be honest with you, because I feel like more than anyone you could benefit with it right now in terms of how comfortable you are up there and stuff. That's what you will grow in, and that's what you need right now. You need that. You need to learn to loosen up and be more relaxed there and things like that. So that's what you can benefit in, but you have to do what you got to do, you know, only so much whatever you can do, you know. But other than that, just keep trying to push yourself a little bit more. It is there, and it wasn't bad. It was quite a good performance that was then, vocally. You pushed it and everything, but I still feel like there's a bit of tension in the back of you holding back. And I don't want you to. I want you to be like, look at me! You know? Yeah, but you got to own it. You got to go up there and you want to say, I'm taking your speakers, Joey. You know? No, but you know what I mean? I want you to be full on, I'm Tia, and I got power, and I got guts. And even then, like, it's still a bit of tension, holding them big notes back. Don't, go wild, all right? Other than that, well done. You took on theatre really well. Well done.
Thanks, Joe. Let's hear the Tia, guys.